Good evening, my friends and everybody here. I'll speak today few lines reminding the investors regarding the present scenario of equity markets. Equity market is going boom, 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 and every day we are having certain appreciation of our holdings, and somebody who looks a friend of you, friend of mine or someone, they are also one time they had been investors and now they are out of the markets. Now everybody is jumping. Now jumping on what? Jumping on money multiplying. Now I told everyone who follows me, who see or looks my video or talk to me even over the phone, WhatsApp and everything. Now, say, I have already spoken how to choose a multi-bagger company. I suggested you only the stock where there is a possibility of appreciation irrespective of the market movements. Now, market can fall, is sure. Not now, not even by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or not even December, but we can look in the January, there is a fall in the markets. Now, PE ratio of the Nifty, you have to look out, and individual PE of the company where you are investing. Now, there are so many persons who are not very aware of the market, aware of the stock they are investing. Now, I suggested everybody you have a first study, you utilize your brain, and if your strength of brain is there, then you can overcome the losses you already made or losses you are going to make or loss you had till now, you can convert it into profits. Now, portfolio I defined well. If you look my all previous video, you will find I have defined the portfolio and how to derive a portfolio, how to derive the portfolio for the whole investment, portfolio for the mutual fund, portfolio for the other fixed income groups, portfolio for equity as well as the master portfolio. Like us, like me, like the small amount we are putting like few lakhs rupees into the market. So there is no questions of making the master portfolio because an investment amount is minimum and which can get depreciates or obviously if I choose debt fund portfolio, PPF portfolio into my portfolio or like other portfolio like FD and all, then appreciation may not be well, then I cannot become rich. Everybody has in their mind, using their mind, if my I like examine my mind is very strong or not. Somebody who is physically strong come here, they can lift like 100 kg, 200 kg simply. Similarly, whatever I have studied, whatever you have studied, whatever you understood the market, if you are mentally strong, if you are you have a confidence on the market or on your portfolio or on your investment, then you can lift like the total value of portfolio, total value of your investment like 20, 30, 50, 40%, even 100% in a year. Now we know I don't need to say like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala or I need to say don't need to say like Damani and all. They are like only few people you can count into our hand in the Indian markets. But we are like general people, retail investor. Everybody has wish or jest into their mind, into their heart that we must make some money into the market. Now the basic factor I told you the fundamental once you can execute into your brain the fundamental in determination of a company or a stock, then I can assure you that you will not at least make a loss. Instead, you will have a like 20-30% appreciation year by year. But when you apply more and more brain into your thinking, then you will see that 30% coming into you like 300%, 500%, 1000%, even a single year is possible. I told in my previous video I had 100 plus 10 return in 10 years because I utilized my brain. I put my brain into and then simply UTI bank I had below 10 rupees or 10 rupees say and over 1000 I sold it in like 7 8 years 10 years span. But my selling point does not mean that it got matured. Obviously profit booking should be there, but after that also it again increased, again and again increased. Now if you compare like 600 plus today's price and 2 rupees scrip, I sold at 10 rupees scrip. Now it is becoming 3000 plus. After my sale, it got multiplied again 3 times or thrice. So everything is possible. I say you to the one stock which is MNC because most of my portfolio stock are in MNC. And although I know very well that it is not a good practice say some stock or spell some stock because market is not guaranteed. Tomorrow morning you can see like 700, 800 point red color and you will think what is saying rubbish. So every stock came down, this also fallen by 10% or 5%. But still I will say some stock to help you judge yourself, understand the fundamental of a company, understand each pros and cons of the market and then you put your money. Market capitalization, book value, P ratio, EPS, DPS, everything you have to learn. Without learning or at least some tracking of like prices or technicals, some technicals, either you cannot study the fundamental, technical or the price behavior, you have to understand. I say you the truth. You will say, why I am spending at this time 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock night. I am coming here and just telling you to do something in the market so that you want money. But a market is such a big, if somebody do something or gets profit, that does not mean I will not get profit. You have to understand, such a big market like in a sea, I am just picking up 1 tub of water. This will not make any difference. And without money, I am thinking, okay, money today I am not having, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, when you listen to me fully, listen to me, my every word, every time, every day, for better understanding of market. I spent already 25 years plus in the market. So then YouTube, where I am placing my all videos, will make me payments. So I am very like long term basis, I do everything. Short term, if comes anything which matures, I understand it maturing prior to my estimation, then I book the profits. That is also to be another idea of the stock markets. Now I will help you to say one stock where it is 170, 80 I think. I have only 500 quantity, not more than that because it is MNC and my money is limited, my fund is limited. You can think that I am very rich, not like that, I am like you only. So only 500 stock I have. I say the company name from the plastic. They are like areas of operation is plastic, MNC, Morganite, Multibase, India. Only BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange listing. Price is starting at 170 plus. My average is 140 rupees. I am holding only 500 share. you can think like 30 rupees into 550,000 I have already into my pocket. But friend, short profit you do not think, as well as for you want to become really very rich into the market or make really goods. This can, I will not say any target, but this can go to like previous high was 769. So, but it came down anyhow. But they have the structures. Now again they are performing. Last quarter we had very good profit. Its paid up capital or equity is 12 something crore plus 12 and something crore. Say 12 crores. And they are having the quarterly profit around 2 or 3 crores. So you can estimate like EPS per share per quarter is around 7-8 rupees after tax and all. They do not have any depth into the market, and what their parents, it is MNC only BSE listed, their parents are from the USA. I am here to help you, and I know I can rate companies, but many times because of times and all, I cannot say you the exact timing when to enter, when to exit, to multiply this 500, my 500 holding into the 600, 700 or more. That is the questions, and that point you have to like be educated, like utilize your brain, and you improve your brain, improve your study, then you can make so. And then at the time of total exit, when you are comparing this price matured as a share you will enter, and portfolio and the fundamental. And I needless to say any more from my side. If you listen like fully, you will understand what I wanted to say to you. Okay friends, good night. If you like my talks and everything, then put a like into this. Thank you, good night.